Are you looking for a natural way to boost your energy, achieve glowing skin, and detoxify your body? Look no further. Introducing ABC Juice, a powerful blend of apple, beetroot, and carrot that's taking the health world by storm. Imagine a drink that's not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients to revitalize your body from the inside out. Stay tuned to discover how this simple juice can transform your health. ABC Juice combines the goodness of three powerhouse ingredients: apple, rich in vitamins A, B complex, and C, helps boost immunity and improve skin health. Beetroot, loaded with iron, folate, and antioxidants, enhances blood flow and supports detoxification. Carrot, high in beta-carotene and fiber, promotes eye health and aids digestion. Together, they create a nutrient-dense beverage that offers numerous health benefits. Regular consumption of ABC juice can boost energy levels, enhance skin glow, support detoxification, improve digestion, strengthen immunity, support cardiovascular health, aid in weight loss, enhance athletic performance, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy hair. For instance, the nitrates in beetroot improve oxygen flow in the body, giving you a natural energy boost. The vitamins in carrots support healthy vision and radiant skin, while the antioxidants in apples work to fight free radicals and keep you looking and feeling younger. Incorporating this juice into your daily routine can lead to noticeable improvements in your well-being. Just one glass a day can make a difference. Whether you're gearing up for a busy day, recovering after a workout, or simply aiming to nourish your body, ABC Juice has got you covered. Making ABC Juice at home is simple. Wash all the ingredients thoroughly, peel the beetroot and carrots if desired. Cut them into small pieces, add them to your juicer, and blend until smooth. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy immediately to retain maximum nutrients. If you don't have a juicer, use a blender and strain the mixture to remove the pulp. Want to add a zing to your juice? Try adding a small piece of ginger or a squeeze of lemon. These not only enhance the flavor, but also add their own health benefits. Ginger aids digestion, while lemon boosts vitamin C levels. Consume the juice fresh on an empty stomach in the morning for optimal absorption. Start with small quantities, especially if you're new to beetroot, as it has a strong flavor and can take some getting used to. Gradually increase the portion as your taste buds adapt. Remember, consistency is key. Make this juice a part of your morning routine, and you'll soon notice the positive changes in your body and mind. ABC Juice is not just a beverage, it's a lifestyle choice. It's about choosing natural, wholesome ingredients over processed, sugar-laden drinks. It's about taking a proactive step toward better health. And the best part, it's easy to make, affordable, and incredibly versatile. You can customize the recipe to suit your taste preferences or dietary needs. So, why wait? Head to your kitchen, grab some fresh apples, beetroots, and carrots, and start your journey to a healthier you today. ABC Juice is a simple yet powerful addition to your diet that can offer numerous health benefits. Why not give it a try and experience the transformation yourself? Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. Have you tried ABC Juice before? What's your favorite way to make it? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and recipes. Together, let's embrace a lifestyle of wellness and vitality. Cheers to your health and happiness.